Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming updates and that you're using an admin account so settings changes stick. Open Settings with Win+I, then Ease of Access. This takes you straight to display controls. Once there, find Color Filters and toggle it on to see if inverted colors are active. This is the main quick toggle. If Windows plus Control plus C shortcut is enabled, press it now. This often flips inversion instantly. Make sure to observe the screen response before moving on. Once done with the basic toggle, dig into why inversion persists. Open Color Filters options and switch among filter types to confirm it's not a specific filter, because some apps override filters. Next, check Device Manager under Display Adapters and update or roll back the graphics driver. Display drivers often inject color anomalies. Also verify high contrast settings in personalization. High contrast themes can invert colors independently. These steps isolate whether Windows, accessibility features, or the to finalize, reinstall or roll back the GPU driver and reboot to clear driver-caused inversion. This often resolves persistent color flips. If changes are significant, create a restore point before further tweaks so you can revert cleanly. Once done, test in safe mode to see if a third-party app or startup item is causing the issue. Safe mode loads minimal drivers and helps confirm root cause. Troubleshooting tip: if inversion returns, reset accessibility settings and run SFC scan to repair system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.